Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Children, in this video, again, we'll continue with the same chapter, chapter number 8, tens and ones. So, let's continue with the chapter, tens and ones. Children, here, two children are playing a game. The game is dots game. What they will play in this game, Karma and Geser are playing a Bengal game. It is a Bengal game. This game is a Bengal game. Karma has thrown the Bengal on dots. You see, some dots are here, some red dots and some green dots. Two type of dots are given here, green, this is red, and some are green dots. Red dots are big dots and green dots are small dots. Okay, so what is the game? The game is they are throwing Bengal on the dots. Each big red dot is equal to 10 points. This red dot is equal to 10 points. Means one dot is equal to 10 points. One dot is equal to 10 points. Okay. Now, each small green dot is equal to 1 point. This green dot, only one green dot is equal to only 1 point. 1 point. And this red dot is equal to 10 points. Okay, clear? Now, the game is the dots inside the Bengal are, here you see, one Bengal is there and some dots inside the Bengal. Some dots are inside the Bengal. How many red dots inside the Bengal? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many red dots inside the Bengal? There are 4. Okay. 4 means 40 because each red dot is equal to, yes, 10 points. So 4 dots equals to 40. Okay. So here given dots, red dots is equal to 40 and green dots is equal to 1. So how many green dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green dots and 4 red dots. So 1 red dot is equal to 10 and 4 red dots is equals to 40. Okay, and green dots, 1 green dot is equal to 1 point. It means 4 green dots is equals to 4. Okay. So, the total is, what is the total of 40 and 4? It's 44. Okay. The total of this 40 and 4 is equals to 44. Okay. Now, so, Karma has got 44 points. Karma has got 44 points. They throw the Bengal twice each. Twice each means 2 times. Twice each means 2 times. 2 times. Okay. Here are their points. This is Karma's point and this is Geser's points. Okay. So In first round, Karma got 44 and in second round, he got 16 points. Okay. And in first round, Gesar got 13 points and in second round, he got 32 points. Okay. So, here the name of the winner. Okay. Same game you will play. Okay. Same game you will play at your home. Look here on the next page. It is game for you. This is for you. This game you will play. The question is, what is the question? Here is the question. You can play this game with your friend using the board above. Board is here. This is the board. You will use this board for playing. Okay. And write your points for each throw. When you will throw your bangle, you will write your points. This red dot show 10 points and this green dot show 1 point. Okay. If your friend is not there with you, you can play with your parents. You can play with your mother, you can play with your father, or you can play with your elder sister or elder brother. Okay. So, while playing, you got points, you will write your points here. First round, how many points? In second round, how many points? In third round. So, you will play 6 times. How many times you will play this game? 6 times. Okay. So, here your points you will write and here your friends' points you will write. If your friends is not there with you, you will play, you can play with your parents. Parents, you can play with your mother, you can play with your father or elder brother, elder sister. Okay. And here in last, you will write winner's point. I am showing you how you can play this game. Okay. So, like now you are throwing the bangle. Okay. So, you have thrown your bangle here. This is your bangle. Okay. So, in this bangle, how many red points are there and how many green points are there? There is only one red point. It means one red point means 10. One red point means 10. And how many green dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means your total points are 15. How many points you got? 15 points. So what you will write here? You will write here 15. Okay. Now in second round, your sister or your parent will throw the bangle. Okay. Now your sister's time. Okay. She will throw the bangle. So she or he, now your brother or sister turn. Okay. They are throwing the bangle. They are throwing the bangle like this. Like this is your sister's bangle or brother's bangle, or your mother is playing with you. So this is your mother's, your sister, your brother's bangle. Okay. Now in this bangle, how many red dots are there and how many green dots are there? There are 3 red dots. 1, 2 and 3. 3 red dots means 30 points. Okay, and how many green dots are here? 1, 2 and 3. So green dots means 1 dot. One green dot means 1 point. 3 green dot means 3 points. So 30 plus 3 is equals to 33. So here your friend, your parent, your sister got how many points? 33 points. Okay. You will play 6 times and your friend or parents or sister, brother will play also 6 times. Then you will count all the points here and okay, and then you will write here winner's name. Winner's name, who got first will write upside and second will write down. Clear the game? Okay. Now next question. Here is the next question. What is the question? Here is one story. First we'll see the story and then we'll do the questions. Okay? So the story is The Flute Man and the Rats. This is the story about one flute man and rats. Okay, here so many rats are there. So the rats are, these rats are bothering everyone. These rats are bothering everyone. So the king decided, what the king decided? I want someone to catch the rats in a basket. For each rat you get 1 gold coin. What the king said? He said that those who catch the rat, he will give, what he will give? 1 gold coin for 1 rat. What he decided? He will pay 1 gold coin for each rat, for 1 rat. Okay. So I will do it. What? With a flute? You will do with the flute. So one man caught all the rats. No, how many rats he caught? My reward, sir, I have collected 80 rats. How many rats this man collected? How many rats this man collected? 80 rats. But how did you count so many rats? How did you count so many rats? So what the man replied? He replied that, simple, I used these cards for counting 80 rats. I will use these cards. Okay, here some cards are given. Some are in triangular shape and some are in square shape. Okay, so I counted 1 rat and kept 1 card. This type of, which type of card? This type of triangular card shows, this type of triangular card shows 1 rat. It means this is for 1 rat. Okay, and this yellow card, this type of square type of card shows what? This card shows? It is shows 10 rats. It is for 10 rats. Okay. So I counted 1 rat and kept 1 card in my pocket. For 1 rat, 1 card, and for 2 rat, 2 cards. Okay. When I had 10 cards, I changed it with this card. What he said? When I had 10 cards. When I had 10 cards. These type of 10 cards. These type of 10 cards when he had, he will change his card with this yellow card. Okay. It means this one card shows 10 reds. Okay. Now, then came 7 more reds. I then had in my pocket. This type of cards these card shows what this triangular card shows. One card for one red, and this one card, 110 card for 10 reds. It means 10 reds, and it means only one red. Clear? Okay. Now, when he has collected how many reds? 10 reds. He changed it card with yellow card. Okay. Okay. Now the question is, which cards will he have in his pocket if he has counted up to? Which cards will he have in his pocket if he has counted up to? Which type of card he will keep in his pocket? Which type of cards he will keep in his pocket if he has counted up? If he has counted up 23. Okay. If he has counted up this 23, how many yellow cards he will keep in his pocket, or how many triangular card, blue card he will keep in his pocket? So 20 plus 3. If we will expand this number or break up this number, what number we got? We got 20 plus 3. 20 means 10. It means 110 card, and here also 110 card. 2 10 card yellow card, and 3 triangular card. 3 triangular card. 1, 2 and 3. Like here is given. 1 triangular card, 2 and 3. It means 1. Triangular card shows one thing for one card, and this square card shows 10 things for one card. Okay, 10 things for one card. 10, this square card shows 10 things. Okay. Now we are having some more questions. Our next question is 47. So for this 47, how many yellow cards and how many blue cards he will keep in his pocket? 47. If we will break up this number, if we break up this number 47, if we break up this number, we got 47. It means 40 means 10. 40 means 10, 10, 10 and 10. 4 10. 10, 20, 30 and 40. It means 4 yellow cards. It means 4 yellow cards and 7. 7, it means 7 triangular card, blue card. Okay? We'll draw like this. Here we are drawing. We'll draw 4 yellow cards. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? In each card you will write 10 inside. You will not write outside. You will write inside the card like this. Like this you will write 10. Okay? 10, 10. Okay? And how many triangular card you will draw? Yes. How many triangular card you will draw? You will draw 7 triangular card. 1, 2. I will draw again. I will draw again. Okay? Again I am drawing. One, 2, 3 and 4. Okay? And how many triangular card you will draw? You will draw 7 triangular card. 7 triangular card. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm drawing again. Space is less here, but you will draw very neatly and small. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 triangular card and 4. How many cards? 4 yellow cards. Okay? Now, next is 55. Our next number is 55. If we will break or expand this number, so we got 50 plus 5. 50 plus 5 means 55. Okay? 50 plus 5 means 55. So 50, it means you will draw 10. You will draw 5 yellow card. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. It means you will draw 5 yellow card and 5 blue card. Okay? 5 yellow cards and 5 blue cards. Like this you will draw 5 yellow cards. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 5 yellow card and 5 blue card, triangular card. Like this you will draw 5 triangular card. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Okay. Now, these 3 you will do yourself. Okay. First you will break this number, break up this number, and then you will draw yellow cards for 10 and blue cards for 1. Okay? If you will break 63, what you will got? 60 plus 3. It means 6 yellow cards and 3 blue cards. Okay? 72. Next number is 72. So for 72, if you will break this 72, break up this 72, you will got 70 plus 2. It means 7 yellow cards you will make and 2 blue cards you will make. Okay? For 80, you will draw only yellow cards. Okay? For this 80, you will draw only yellow cards. You will not draw any blue card. Clear this question? Okay. Now, next question is, the next question is clean school day. Clean school day. We have to clean our school today. We make teams. Each team has 10 students. The children decided to clean their school and they make teams. Okay, in each team they have 10 students. Okay, our team will clean the best. Here we go rub and scrub. Okay, so the number of students in all the classes are, here classes are given. Okay, in first class, how many students are there? 53. In class 2, how many students are there? 42. In class 3, how many students are there? 35. In class 4, how many students are there? 54. And in class 5, how many students are there? 26. Okay. So there are the students of the classes 1 to 5. Okay. So the question is, what is the question? Question is, how many teams will there be in each row? How many teams will there be in each class? How many students will be left? Right here. Okay. How many teams will be there in each class and how many students will be left in each class? Okay. So students are given in class 1. How many students are given? Yes, in class 1, 53 students are given. In class 1, 53 students are given. So, in 53, how many teams will be there? In 53 students, how many teams will be there? Yes, in 53, 5 teams. 50. It means, what is the meaning of 50? In each team, how many students are there? 10 students. Okay. In each team, 10 students are there, and in 50, if 53 in first class, so how many teams? 5 teams. Okay, and 3 will be left. Okay, So here you will write 5 teams in class 1 and 3 students left. Okay. Now in class 2, how many students are there? 42. In class 2, how many students are there? 42. 42. 42 means 40 means 4 teams and 2 left. Okay. So 4 you will write here, 4, and 2 you will write here, 2 left. 4 teams and 2 students left. Okay. In class 3, how many students are there? 35. So for 35, how many teams and how many students will be left? Yes. So 3 teams and 5 students left. Okay. 3 teams and 5 students left. In class 4, how many students are there? 54. 54 students. Okay. So for 54, how many teams will be there and how many students will be left? 5 teams and 4 students will be left. So you will write here 5 and here you will write 4. 5 teams and 4 students left. Okay. In class 5, how many total students are there? 26. So for 26, it means 2 teams and 6 students will be left. So here you will write 2 and here you will write 6. Okay. Okay. Now what you will do? These numbers you will write in your book like this. In first class, 5 teams, 3 students left. In class 2, 4 teams and 2 students left. In third class, 3 teams and 5 students left. In fourth class, 5 teams and 4 students left. And in fifth class, 2 teams and 6 students left. Okay. Now our next question is, how many students are left in all? How many students are left in all? So what you will do? You will add all the left students. 3, 2, 5, 4 and 6. You will add all the left students. Okay. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 5 is equals to, yes, 10. 5 plus 5, here 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. And this 5 and this 5 is equals to 10. Okay. Now 10 plus 4 is equals to 14. 10 plus 2 is equals to 14. And 14 plus 6, 14 plus 6 is equals to 20. 14 plus 6 is equals to 20. So the total students are 20. total left students are 20. So what you will write here? You will write here how many students are left in all. So you will write here 20 students. You will write here 20 students. Okay. Students. D-E-N-T-S. Students. Okay. 20 students. 20 students. How many students are left in all? So what you will write here? 20 students. Okay. Next question is, how many more teams can be made with all these students left? How many more teams can be made with all these students left? How many are left students? How many are left students? 20. Our left students are 20. So, for one team, how many students we need? For one team, how many students we need? We need 10 students. Okay, to make one team. So, here we have how many students? 20 students. So, for 20 students, okay, how many teams we can make? 2 teams. Okay, with the help of 20 students, we can make how many teams? 2 teams. So here, what we will write? We will write here 2 teams. Okay. Two teams. Clear? How many more teams can be made with all the students left? So, what we'll write here? 2 more teams. We'll write here 2 more teams. You will write here 2 more, M-O-R-E, more teams. T-E-A-M-S. Okay? More teams. 2 more teams. Clear? Okay. Now, here our book exercise has finished. I hope you all understood how you will do these questions. Activity, one activity is given for you. Okay, playing activity. You will do this activity with your parent, with your sister, brother, elder sister, brother. Okay, and do your work very neatly. Okay, so Sai Ram children, thank you.